manufacturer and developer of components for ventilation units and systems. Various different and complex processes come together to provide our clients with great quality products on time and in full. Integrated ISO standards ensure reliability and constant improvements throughout the organization. Our product groups: customized standard products, water coils, DLL available, custom and unique electric heaters, duct-mounted water heaters and coolers, duct-mounted electric heaters, AHU heaters, project-based production, DLL available, control systems for ventilation units. Effectiveness, professionalism, and market know-how is what helps us to provide quick and reliable solutions to our partners. Whether it's a standard product or a completely new concept, we are here for you. Goods are developed keeping quality and ease of use in mind. We help and advise our clients from the first prototypes to the product launch. Our clients' success is our success, and this is proven by our work ethic and dedication to deliver. Standardized processes and high-quality standards are the driving factors of successful manufacturing. We handle all kinds of sizes and complexity of goods. Line manufacturing for high-volume output, specialized stations for complex project manufacturing, and everything in between. Always up-to-date, professional personnel who make, check, and pack the products using certified and upkept tools and machinery. Every product is 100% checked before leaving the factory. All products are CE marked and certified for Europe. Our goods can be found all over Europe. Many reliable, well-known names trust us with their heating, cooling, and control needs. With an output of over 60,000 products manufactured per year, we still have a lot more capacity to grow and expand, covering the demand with existing products and developing new ones. Choose a reliable partner. Choose Ventmatika.